Basically, air handling is our biggest business nowadays, and that involves a lot of open drip proof from probably 1-2 horse all the way up to 150 horse. Main line I probably do stock right now is worldwide on the open drip proof. One of the main reasons though is they always had the inventory when I needed it, and obviously I've told you how critical it is to replace these motors very fast, so it was very important for somebody to have the items in stock, and then to have a competitive price is really just a bonus too, you know. So one of the main reasons too that I like worldwide a lot is the great service when I call in with Max and some of the others that have really helped me, gave me some part numbers that I needed to get things rolling, and it was done quickly, efficiently, and it's always shipped promptly. So it's been very helpful. One of the main ways I order is online, and generally not necessarily during business hours. I'm very busy during the day and I have to respond to my customers. So the most time I have to order is in the off hours when the business is a little slower, and it's been great. It's very quick online. I can navigate where I need to be very promptly, and I can see the inventory on hand as I order, so I know what I can get and how I have to decide whether it's with a grounding kit or without, and what's available. And I try to stay with a warehouse that's close to me so that I can get these even more prompt than I otherwise might get. So I find this very helpful.